Hello everyone, I'm Rich from Zhayao. Good products need good coatings. Excellent coating process will improve the quality of your products. But how can you achieve a beautiful and stable coating on the product surface? It looks easy, but not that simple. Here I want to share some methods to ensure powder coatings based on my experience. The cross-cut test is a critical process in powder coating process. It directly impacts how well the coating works and how long it lasts. Number 1. Checking if the coating sticks tight to the base material. Powder coatings have to cling firmly to metal or other substrates to do their job. The cross-cut test slides through the coating down to the substrates, then use tape to peel it, a simple way to see how strong the bond is. Good adhesion is the foundation of all coatings functions, like resisting rust and wear. Number 2. Keeping production process consistent. The test results show right away if key steps are up to standard. Things like powder quality, spraying setting, temperature, wattage, and preparing the substrate, cleaning off oil, rust. It helps catch production issue early, so you don't end up with whole batches of faulty products going out. Number 3. Making sure products are safe and long-lasting. Powder coating is used in tons of stuff: home appliances, cars, machinery. Weak adhesion is a problem. If the coating peels off, the base material rusts fast and the product doesn't last as long. When adhesion meets standards, the products stay reliable throughout its use.
ZhYao. Together, we color the world.